welcome back to my channel. Today I created this red smoky glitter eye look which is very appropriate for this year's Christmas and New Year celebration. So if you want to know how we can achieve this look, then please keep on watching. Let's get started with our eye makeup, and I am taking that shade Watermelon from iMagic Galaxy Shine palette and I will run it through my crease area. This will be my first transition shade. Next, taking the shade Claret and I will place it lower than my crease shade and I will blend it out with a fluffy blending brush until the edges are smooth and well blended. Taking the shade Flaming and I will place it on my lid space with my finger and I will blend out the harsh edges with the blending brush. With my NYX glitter primer, I will place it on my lid space where I had applied the shade Flaming, and then I'm going to take the red glitter and place it all over my lid space. This process will make the glitter last longer. It will not budge or move around. Also, there will be minimal fallout. Then with my Essence Liquid Ink eyeliner, I'm going to draw a nice cat eye winged eyeliner, and this I will keep it very close to my upper lash line. With my Plum Kajal, I will run it through my upper and lower waterline. It's time for some highlighting concealer because we have lot of drama going on our eyes. So I am taking the shade a light medium and I will place it on the highest points of my face and under my eyes. Then blend it out with nice damp makeup sponge. Time to set the highlighted areas in place. For that, I'm using my Rimmel Match Perfection Silky Loose powder in the shade Translucent, and I will be applying this in very light layers so that my skin does not dry out because it's winter already. To bring back some dimension to our face, I am taking this Rimmel Kate palette in the shade Golden Sand and I will contour the hollows of my cheeks, the jawline and the forehead. With Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Deep, I'm going to bring back some warmth to my face and I will be doing this in very light layers. Also, I will be contouring my nose with the same bronzer. For our blush today, I'm going to use Savannah colored blush palette and from that taking those two shades. I'm very sorry that the camera is not picking up the right color, but this has got a nice pink undertone to it and I will be blushing the apples of my cheeks and the tip of my nose. For our highlighter today, I'm going to use Wet n Wild in the shade Precious Petals and I will be highlighting the highest points of my face like my cheekbones, the bridge of the nose, little bit on my forehead, the cupid's bow and the chin. Moving back to our eyes, and I'm taking that shade Watermelon and I will run it across my lower lash line very lightly to give that smoky effect, curling my lashes to make it ready for the mascara. And I'm going to use my Rimmel Day to Night mascara, from that taking the lens side and I will be coating my top and bottom lashes. This is nothing new, you must have seen this in every video of mine. I love this mascara, basically the lens side I love the most. For my lips, I'll be using these two combination. One is from Wet n Wild and the lip liner is from Swiss Beauty in the shade Cherry Brown, and the lipstick is a Give Me Mocha, and the shade is perfect match for this eye look. And setting the makeup in place with my Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Makeup Fixer. This will make our makeup long lasting until and unless we remove it. Highlighting the brow bone and the inner tear duct area with the same Wet n Wild Precious Petal highlighter, and this took that eye look to another level, I swear you guys. If you like today's video, then do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn the bell button on and also like, share and comment. And I will see you soon on my next one. Till then, bye. Take care.